Oh, you may wonder, what in the world are you doing, Matt? Well, this is not the best handsaw, but I keep a fairly decent one with me about all the time because we got lots of tools, but sometimes you don't have a tool that can do what a handsaw would do. And we're got to cut this out right here like this in order for it to slip down over one of these floor joists. To take a look down through here at all these posts. These is all cedar posts. Real nice deck. Gonna have Trex and cedar. Nice stuff. Anyway, so I'm cutting this out because little brother said I can't do that when you do it. So that's what I'm doing. And then when I get done, he'll say, "Brother, you're a genius." And it's really not. Maybe it is. Maybe I am a genius. I don't know it. But we're coming right along. We got just kind of pan around there, Lee, and just let them take a little quick view. We got the everything trimmed out here. The lights is all in. 2 coats of stain on it. And before you know it, we'll have a nice Trex deck and some cedar rails and hog wire. And yeah, old New York City has got exquisite taste. That's all I can say. Anyway, I think me and little brother might go hunt some mushrooms this evening. Weather's got nice. We're in our short sleeve shirts. Time to find mushrooms. We love you and we mean it. Talk to y'all later. Hello, folks. So, I'm in an undisclosed location. And I'm up here on the side of this mountain. And I'm hunting for morel mushrooms. Now, you can Google finding morel mushrooms all you want to, and I don't know. I don't find them where they find them. So anyway, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys this. Well, let's see if it'll do a flip-flop. It's not going to. So I'm just gonna, let's see, there he is right there. So this is a morel mushroom. And I reach down, pinch him off, and then I tap him a few times. And this is the only mushroom that I really eat. And I was raised on them, so but they're delicious, and I thank God for letting me find some today. I found some the other day, and my nephew hadn't ever eaten them, so I picked him a few. And a lot of times I'm too busy working to look for mushrooms, but I got off work and had to come up here, so yeah. Anyway, morel mushrooms. Fry them like fish. Cut them down the middle, wash them out real good. When you wash them out, leave them soaking for a little bit and let some of them spores get out. Throw them out in your mulch pile or whatever, and you'll have your own morel mushrooms. You won't have to come up on the side of the mountain to hunt them. All right, guys, talk to you later. Love you, mean it. Bye now. Well, hello, folks. Here we are. You may be wondering what I'm doing. Well, we have been installing this rock here, and so if you want to know some of our little secrets, one of them is so they're pretty easy to do, but you still just can't just stack them up. You have to wedge them a little bit and adjust them a little bit because they're just not perfect from the factory. So when you do, sometimes you'll get a little bit of, I mean, there ain't nobody can push on a rock up top, but you could get a little bit of rattle if you push on them because they're hung from the top. So what we do is we you don't have to do it on every single one of them, but I'm going to hang this now. But that keeps, it sticks to the rock and expands and just makes a good tight joint. And then after a slew more screws, voila, you're done with that little section there. Don't give away too much, Lou, but kind of walk around the stair there where they can kind of see what the whole thing looks like. Kind of gives you a little different perspective when you are looking at the whole thing versus just one rock. But all in all, I think it's coming out pretty nice. I've got to see if old Bobcat wants me to put him something in. Don't know if he'll be hanging pictures or not, which it's, you know, pretty easy to do. You just drill a little hole, insert a screw, but didn't know he might have a big spread with him laying out on the rock nude or something like that they want to hang up over the fireplace. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, we're going to hang rock all day long, and Lee's fitting a few more pieces of trim, so it's a nasty, nasty day outside. It's rained all night, and it looks like it's going to rain all day, so. But at least we got someplace dry and warm that we can work, so we're thankful for that. Anyway, I can't give away too much of everything that's going on, but we're going to upload you in the video here. We got a little bit of doing the deck and things like that, but anyway, we're off, and we love you, and we mean it. Bye now.